Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I've finally finished my stocking stuffers and here's a sneak peek for you. I won't show you the inside, that's coming up, but this is just the cover. I've added a little made with love tag onto it, and I've closed it with some lovely floral decoration that they can close their journals with. And all three of them are finished, and I will be unveiling them after the Christmas because I don't want the girls to see them. It's a surprise. They don't know I'm doing this, and it took me so much time. Oh my goodness. I never thought that it would take me like 3 months to complete them. So it was basically a month for each of them. And remember that this is the first time I'm ever doing something like this in my entire life. I've never done anything like this before, and so for all you experts out there, don't be too judgmental. I personally like it. Each one signifies each of my daughters.